welcome to our channel. I'm Somnath. So in this session we are going to learn article. So articles, what is the importance of article? I would like to tell you few seconds, then we will start the session. So article are very important, very essential in your examination. Means if you write any exam or whatever competitive fields, or else while speaking in English, or else while writing in letters or writing in sentence passage, whatever, it's very important. So article very essential for you how to learn. Many people are facing lot of problems in articles. So there are two types of article. Dear friends, again I'm repeating, there are two types of articles. The kind of article, what I'm saying, in article there are two kind of articles. So first is definite article, indefinite article. So we are telling here, in articles there are, in articles we have two type of, one is definite and another one is what, indefinite. Indefinite articles, one is definite article, another one is indefinite articles. In definite article we are using what here, the. Indefinite here, a and an. Try to understand, this and this we are using here, a and the. So the, a, and. So the is definite article and indefinite article a, and we are using an. So these are the two types of articles. Definite mean you can easily identify, the meaning itself is there. Definite means sure. So for example, the definite article we are using the, it is called for particular person or thing. We are using in this, we are using this only is a singular as well as plural. Singular words and as well as plural. Plurals. So you can think singular or plural. See for example, here a and we are using only singular, not in plural. Only in singular. Singular. So singular here are singular, plural. Both we are using here the. Or else we can call it, or you can call the also. The, both are the, no need to worry about the and the. How to use I am going to tell you. Here singular, only singular. For example, a boy, a girl, a dog, a pen, a bag, a cat. For example, we are using an. An. How to use an? An is a, see for example, an Indian, an aeroplane, an elephant, an apple, an ink bottle, or you can call an Indian, an African, an Australian. So something you can say an. How to use it? So I told you a and as well as an. Both I told you in singular. I could not see for example a boy, a girl, something you can write a. And also you can use an, for example, an apple, an elephant. Something you can use like this, but how to write? What is the sound? You need to understand. Here, for example, I'm using only not boys. I'm not using here boys. I'm not using here girls. I'm not using. So that, so simply you can understand only in singular we have to use it. So first thing you need to understand, a boy, a girl, a no, I'm not using here apples and apples. I'm not using. So I'm using here an apple. So simply you can understand. I will give hint, then after I will how to learn I am going to tell you. Then here singular as well as plural. As I told you, singular as well as plural. So I am going to write one example, you will understand. For example, yeah, you can use for example the sun. The sun. I told you the sound should be, no need to bother about this, the and the. You can call the and the, both are sound is vowel as well as consonant sound. So first the, I am writing the sun, the earth, The earth, the sun, the earth, the moon, the Everest. You can use like that. Okay. So I'm using here only singular. Can I write plural? So now plural you can see the books. I'm using plural also. Which book I could not tell you, the books. I told you how to use it. Okay. So now I hope you this is for you. You can easily the identify, you can easily understand. But then, sir, what is the how to recognize, how to identify? You told me you wrote this all, but how to recognize? That is very important. So I'm going to write it clearly. You can understand. So listen carefully. Don't be skip the video. Then you if you skip, you can't understand. So now A to Z, you need to learn A to Z alphabet. The sound should be important. Now I am going to A to Z, I am going to write here, you will understand. So before writing this, I am going to write in sound here A, A, E, E, U, U, then Ru, Ru, A, A, I, then O, O, Ow, aha. So why I'm writing this Telugu words? Because of this sounds also very important. So this is what vowel sound. This is actually we are calling in Telugu achulu. Achulu. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. There are the 16. So you can write A is a sound of A. A, A, E, I, E, double E. U, just U you can write. U, double O. Ru, R, U. Ru, R, O, O. A, you can write A. A, E. A, you can write sound. I, only I or else A, I. Okay. Or else you can write Y also. So O sound should be O. O same. Ow. A-U, O-U. Ow. Ow. Or else you can do O-W also. Ow. So here. A-M. Aha. A-H. Guys, the sound should be very important. I wrote R2 Amha. Then Ka2 here simply you can easily identify Ka2. The sound should be Ka. There are the 36 and here there are the 16 digits. Okay, total 56 in Telugu. Total 52, right? Am I right or wrong? See, total 52. Total I am saying total, just you can understand. So total 56. So here I am going to write here what English alphabet. So now sound alphabet is very important, right? Alphabet here. Now I am writing A. You will easily understand. Very simple thing. A. So first I am writing here. You can easily understand. In alphabet indefinite, I am writing indefinite. Indefinite sounds. So indefinite we are having, in indefinite we are having what? One is A, and as well as an. So these sounds are very important. These sounds you need to identify sounds. These sounds we are going to write. Indefinite article. Indefinite article there are a and an. The sound we are recognize. Try to understand. So I am writing here what a, then what b, c, d, e, f, g, h, I, j, here k, l, m. So I am writing this sound also. You can easily identify. So these sounds are very important. Then here I am writing n, n, o, p, q, r, s, t, u, v, w, x, y, and z. So sounds I am writing here. Clearly understand. Yes, guys, as I told you, sounds are very important. I wrote Telugu as well as English. So alphabet sound I wrote is this is what indefinite articles. Indefinite article we have a and. So sounds how to recognize. Very important. Try to listen. Very important this. So this is guys first the sound should be a, a to ha ha. A to aha. The sound should be in A. If you get A to aha, this sound you have to write it. This is in an. Ka to bandira. You have to write it. You have to write it what? A only. Indefinite article and A. You need to write it. So I am writing the sound. You can easily understand. What is it? A. See here A. A. Where is not ka to bandira? The sound is not there. So A. So you can simply identify R to bandira. A. The sound is A, not ya. A. Don't be called ya. A. So you can write as I told you what is an. So you must write it. Now you can write it. Yeah, you can write it an. So I would like to write this easy for an. Okay, the sound should be an. Here a. So now and I wrote a mean or to bandira. Sorry, or to amaha. A. So sound is an. You have to write an. B. Now B. Ka to bandira B. So now you can write B. So what is here? A. You can write is A. Now C. C. C mean ka to bandira. Sa. C. Sa C. So from come it will be from here to here. So you can write A here. Okay, no need to worry, just carefully listen. Next D. D also ka da da d da da d d. So comes so A. Next E. E you can write E. The sound is there. R2 this sound E. So you have to write an. Okay, an. Now and I wrote next somebody calls yaf. Yaf is always wrong. F, F, F. Try to understand F. So F is S. The sound we are not calling here. F sound is not there. So thus you can recognize F. F. F is sound F. The sound is there. So you can write again what an. Okay. Now G is not there, the sound is not there, so the sound is here. Katu bandida. G G ja ja G. So sound is there, so you can simply write G is A. Okay, understood. Then H. Someone got H, yach, that's wrong. H, the sound should be H, so you can write H, sound is there, so you can write an. Okay, then I, sound is not there, so you can identify I, so you can write simply an. Okay, Hi, an, simply you can write an. Then what? J. So J is Katu Mandira. Ja. So J is Ja Ketan se J. So you can write what? A. Simply you can write here A. Okay. Next K. K also same. You can write A. Yal. Yal is wrong. L. Call it L. Alright. So L, you can recognize L. L. So that you can write is an. Okay, and then yam, somebody call it yam, wrong. M, call it M, sound should be M, so that you can recognize M. How is the sound? M, so that you can identify M in sound again an. M, then what? N, don't call yan is wrong. N, call it n, so that n sound is again an. O, not wo. O, just call it o. How is the sound? O, so that an. Then p is the sound from here to there, you can write simply a. Okay, so a, p. Then q also come from here to there, so simply a. R, not yar, don't say r sound should be r, so an. Right, then s, not yas, don't call yas, if you call yas, that's always wrong, so that you can call s. So s, the sound you can s, so that an. Okay, s. Then t come from here to there, so t, a. Then u also a sound, u from here to u. V also a sound, w also a sound. X, not yaks, don't be called yaks. X x sound should be x, means an. Then what? Y is a sound different. Why I'm not calling, y is not there, so y here to there, so you can simply write it a. Then z, not jad, z, so sir, sound should be a. Understood? So guys, so how many? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12, there are the, so and sound means which are in vowel sound. Vowel sound what? A, E, I, O, U. Actually this is the vowel sound, but vowel sound means if you know this, you can easily identify, so that I could not tell anything, just I explained all this, then I wrote this. So there are the 5 types, right? As I told you, there is a 5. So a, e, I, o, u sound I wrote, so it is in, we are using is vowel sound and only. There are the and alphabet, how many? There are the 12. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. So remaining, so consonant sound, remaining what? Consonant sound. Consonant sound, there remaining what? 12 is gone. So remaining what? 12. So 14, right? So 14 is there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So 14 consonant. So consonant is a consonant 14. So you can write A equal to 14. So what I'm saying, guys, this is only for alphabet recognize. I'm not telling all of this. There is actually, according to rules, there is a 21. As I agree with you, but what I'm saying, this only. This is a 14. This is 21. Okay, A E I O E, this 5, and consonant there is a, as I told you, as I wrote, 21 is there. So total 26. We have the alphabet. In alphabet, we recognize this sound is A is 14 and is a 12. Okay, how to use indefinite article A and I told you. So this is, I hope you clear. This is, I hope this is you guys clear. So I give some example also. Now you can easily identify, and this is introduction class, so that you can easily identify. This is, if you learn, if you can't understand, you can watch twice or thrice, then you can easily understand. Then and there only you can't understand. I hope you guys, again, you have to watch twice or thrice, then you will understand. So this is a vowel sound and consonant sound. I told you this is a small method hint for you. So I will give some example of A and how to identify. So I'm going to write here A sound. For example, boy. For example, as I told you, boy. Before I told you, before I introduced this all, but now I am going to write this all. How to you can easily identify boy. The spelling here, boy. Boy mean katu bandira. So that why I wrote this all, because of who are following Telugu. I'm a Telugu medium background people also there. English, both are they are confusing. So that I wrote English as well as Telugu. So you have to, if you can't understand, you can watch this Telugu meaning also. You can easily enter. So boy, boy. So spelling is the boy. So boy is boy. The sound should be bo. So boy is there, boy. So you can use here simply a boy. A boy. Simply you can use a boy. For example, girl. So girl, simply you can use a boy, a girl, girl. G-I-R, a girl. Pen, a pen. See guys, I wrote from here to there. The sound should be here to here. So you can easily identify pen, pay, pen, a pen, book, a book. Understood? I could not write any in plural. Singular word should be represent and it should be a. Okay, in singular. So I am going to write a book, a pen, a pencil, a dog, a cat, a mat. You can use whatever. Okay, a bird you can use. Okay, so this is what a. Now I am going to write an. So how to use an? So as I told you, the sound should be, the A is completed. Now an is there. See, an apple. So what is the sound here? An apple. A-P-P-L-E. An apple. Apple. Okay. So this is what an apple. Apple. Okay. So now an apple. Apple. The sound apple. A. So the sound is there. So an apple I wrote. So one more thing you will understand. An apple I wrote, right. Then any more ink. An ink. An ink. Ink. In e sound is there. So that I wrote an ink. Okay. You can write simply an MLA. MLA. M-A. Sound is there. An MLA. So for I'm going to write one more. And you can write an Indian. an Indian, an American, Indian. The sound is an E, E, E. So sound R2, the sound is there, Indian, an Indian. Very simple guys. A and the sound should be very important. You can write multiple. This is a very important. This is a hint for you. Upcoming video I am going to tell you all part how to use. Okay. So now the sound how to use. I am going to tell you the. So I hope you this all